Hey y'all, I'm coming to you from international headquarters, ScottieDTV, but I was at the National Corvette Museum, and you know the C8's the first generation of Corvette that went mid-engine, but it has been in the making for a long time, and they have a whole section set up on the history of the mid-engine Corvette and how long it's been around and how long they've been trying to do it. So anyways, they have a few of the cars sitting there, and I did an overview of the whole display, and here in this video I'm coming back to the 1968 XB 880 Astro 2, which was one of the first generations or one of the first tries at a mid-engine Corvette concept car, and we're going to take a closer look at that. So let me get the camera turned around. One of the things, they have a whole area set up to the history of the mid-engine, and I think if there was a lot of stuff I was amazed at. I can't say that. But one of the things I was surprised at, greatly surprised at, is that Zora had been down with the mid-engine since he'd hit the scene. In the background, on that wall back there, you see the general walk-around video, I'll show you that. It shows what Corvettes were on the streets and what was happening in the background, and it was all mid-engine stuff happening in the background. Like this car, the 1968 XB 880 Astro 2. 427 V8 powered, how fun would that be? They say you could actually drive this one. Not to say I don't know the other one's statuses, but there again, in doing research on these concept cars, there's a lot of difference in opinions. I think everybody will agree that it was debuted at the 68 New York Auto Show, but beyond that, I'm not comfortable in stating anything as fact because I don't know. And the Corvette Museum, they have the cars there, but there was limited information like on the display signs. There again, I encourage you, go visit the Corvette Museum. Check this stuff out for yourself. Don't watch my videos and be like, I've seen it. No, go look at it for yourself. Go take the tour. Look at it. I mean, there is so much cool to see at the National Corvette Museum, even if you're not a big Corvette fan, if you're just a car enthusiast. If you're a history buff, it's another thing. It's you'll be down with it because of that. But again, my bread and butter every day, I cover custom cars that I don't know anything about. I just know they're cool. And same thing with these concept cars. I knew they were cool, and I knew I should, record them for history. There's already been one sinkhole, right? Knock on wood, I'm just saying. So, yeah, I can't tell you much about them. Go check them out. Do some research. Form your own opinion. But whatever you do, go visit the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky, because I promise you, you'll have a good time. You'll enjoy yourself. Lots and lots and lots of cool cars to see, like these two. I shot a close-up video on the other car, too. So, if you're just tuning in, there's a whole series from the Corvette Museum. Make sure you check them out. There's a lot of cool to see, and I shot a lot of cool, I hope so. I hope people think it's cool videos. Like this 1968 XB 880 Astro 2. That's got like a 70s nose on it. So there you go, from the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky, the 1968 XB 880 Astro 2. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.